Danielle Lisa Morris, you're my best friend in the universe, my other half, and the love of my life. I love you to the moon and back, now and forever.
We ready to do this?
I guess so.
Welcome to Whistler. Danielle, Mark, here we are at your wedding. An amazing place to get married, acknowledging this is on the unceded and traditional territory of the Squamish and Leetwat Coast Salish people. I would like to take a minute to acknowledge where we are right now, to recognize the natural beauty of our surroundings, the trees, the glacial lake, the beautiful mountains.
You are deeply kind, thoughtful, steady, and you always do the right thing even when it's hard. You have taken care of our dog Ella and I since August 2019. You weren't there for the first 2 years of her life, but you have been there for every moment since.
You're my love of my life. I vow to support you and our family in a house filled with patience, love, understanding, and a lot of Ella hairs. Love is a short word, easy to spell, difficult to define, and impossible to live without. Love is work, but most of all, love is realizing that every hour, minute, and second of it is worth it because we did it together.
Finally, take a look at where we are right now and who's here to celebrate with us. Isn't this an incredible moment? Now I want you to hold on to this feeling, put it in your pocket, and save it for the rainy days when you both really need it.
Nothing brings me more happiness than to be able to call you my wife and my best friend. And my words cannot describe how lucky I am to have you by my side and to be my rock. To laugh with me, to cry with me, joke with me, and most importantly, to deal with me being in a mood.
Mark Allen Tucson, from the moment I met you, you have pursued me sincerely, faithfully, and intentionally. I know in my heart you are the perfect person for me. Our love is the easiest, most special thing I have ever experienced. I feel so grateful to raise babies together. I promise to love and cherish you from this moment until my last. I vow to care for you, choose you, and grow old with you. I will be here when you feel like being quiet. When you need to speak your mind, I will listen. Through the winning, losing, and trying, we will be together, and I will be here. I am only yours and all yours forever.
Now, upon the authority vested in me by the province of British Columbia, I pronounce you as husband and wife. You may seal your vows with a kiss.
This ring is a promise that you will never have to face the world alone when life seems easy and when life seems hard, even when Ella is on both of our nerves. I will love you and the baby with all my heart.